Assalamualaikum. This is Afshar Ashkar and today I am discussing about the research paper of Malapati Krishna Prasad. I am discussing about that research paper which he made on operation of logic gates and NAND or NOR with single circuit using bipolar junction transistor. First I tell you little about myself. I am a student of Ikra University. I am doing BScs. Let's move on topic. Abstract. In this paper we have developed a circuit which gives the output for 4 logic gates of AND, NAND, NOR by taking only two inputs A and B. We have each circuit for each logic gate, but now in our new circuit we develop 4 logic gates in a single circuit. Instead of using 4 ICs for 4 logic gates, if we use this single ICs for all 4 logic gates, then the space used for the remaining 3 ICs can be used for the other purpose. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हम 4 लॉजिक गेट के लिए 4 ICs का इस्तेमाल करें. हम 4 लॉजिक गेट को सिंगल IC के थ्रू भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बाकी 3 हम अदर पर्पज़ के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. This circuit is very easy to design because I have used bipolar junction transistor. Introduction. Logic gates are an important part of digital electronics. These logic gates are mainly used to perform logical operations between 2 or more input functions. Generally, for every logic gate, we have only one input, but in case of input, it may vary because we have 2 input logic gates and some of the time we have 3 input logic gates. Not have only a single input and single output. These logic gates only take the binary data as an input, either active low or active high, by receiving the voltage input. For active low represent 0 voltage, while active high represent 3 to 7 volts. We can design many special circuits like flip-flop, multiplexer, latches, register, and counters, etc. Here is a chart of formulated and experimental setup. In this chart, you can see that how logic gates take binary data in active low or active high by receiving voltage. Types of logic gates. AND gate. It takes 2 input A and B and produce a single output, and produce output only high when all of the inputs are high. The A input is high, B input high, the output will produce high. When any or all of the inputs are low, the output produce low. NAND gate. NAND gate produce low output only when all the inputs are high. When any of input is low, the output will be high. OR. The OR gate produce high output when one or more inputs are high. The output is low only when all of the inputs are low. NOR. NOR gate produce low output when any of its input is high. Only when all of the inputs are low, the output is the high. Bipolar junction transistor BJT. A BJT is a semiconductor solid state 3-terminal device. In BJT, current flows through 2 terminals called emitter and collector, and the amount of the current is controlled by the third terminal called base. Here is the circuit diagram of BJT. Working principles of BJT. Generally, a BJT consists of 3 junctions: a base emitter junction, collector base junction, emitter collector junction. When the transistor is in base region, then the base emitter region is in forward base and a collector base junction is in reverse base. The width of the depletion layer of the base emitter junction is smaller than that of depletion layer of collector base junction. Where base emitter junction is in forwarding bias, it reduces the barrier potential and allows electron to flow from emitter to base. As the base region is highly doped, only a few holes, so only some electrons of emitter region recombine with the holes in the base region and flow out of the base terminal. This forms the base current, which is formed due to recombination of electrons and holes. The remaining large number of electrons will pulse the collector junction to form large collector current. The base current is very smaller than collector current. BJT as a switch. This bipolar transistor can be used to switch for LED because LED needs a small voltage and logical DC level. The areas of the operation of transistor as a switch require 2 modes of saturation region and cutoff region. When the voltage of the BJT is in cutoff region, the transistor acts as a closed switch. When the voltage of the BJT is in saturated region, the transistor as an open switch. Here is the circuit diagram of BJT as a switch. There are 4 logic gates are used in a single circuit. Here is the truth table. There are 4 cases that he worked on it for switch. Conclusion. From this article we can conclude that this circuit is very useful because in some special circuit it is necessary that we have to use all the logic gates at a time. So it is difficult to connect 4 ICs for 4 logic gates. At that time, by using this circuit we can get the output of all the logic gates at a time by giving only 2 inputs. We can also design an integrated circuit very easily with this circuit because it has only 6 VGT. It reduces the complexity of the logic gates. Here is the references. Author used following resources for work on research paper. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.